Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's OP video update for Sunday, 7th of August. And the journey continues for the ABC correction. Yesterday, so far, we've talked about the Elliott wave theory for the five counts, which I'm going to give you another preview once again here. So it was a count to the upside for the first wave, went down for the second wave, went up for the third wave, the fourth wave, and finally made the fifth wave structure. So pretty much the Elliott wave theory is actually done. It's out of the way. And what follows up after the Elliott wave theory is actually an ABC correction. So that's pretty much really expected at the moment. So all you're going to do is go down, come up here, which you've done the B correction. And the irony about the C correction is that the C correction is always going to be bigger than the A correction, okay? Now, in order for us to continue higher, first of all, it's really important to break the B wave here, okay? So you went for the A, the B. So if you actually do come down to break out the B wave here and hold this level and try to come back up and break this top here, which is going to be 2.158, then I reckon you're really going to be bullish. So if you do see something, the safe way to continue higher is to break the highest part of this level. You break the highest part of that level, that would be amazing. Take the entry, and that will be the end of the correction. This might have been your bottom right there. You've already, you do have this top right here. You came down like this, but I do highly expect that is going to hold at the moment. There's one more thing to actually talk about, and that's going to be this trend line right over there that you really broke out of. And it seems to me that you never went down to retest this trend line. All you did is you went down like this, broke it out, and got overextended. So it seems to me like if you were to go for an ABC correction, you might have put the A, the B. The C correction can be as deep as to come down to the $1.5, bounce off this area, bounce off that trend line previously, and then you continue to the higher. So that's pretty much it for this update in the short term at the moment. The view up here is still in play. It's going to be cancelled once we come down to the 1.363. That's where you don't want to go. You don't want to go below this level and close below that level as well. And anything happens, we're going to see what's about to happen. New week is about to start as well. So just before I close the video, let's talk about the weekly time frame as well, because the weekly is quite important. The weekly closing is really super important, and you do have 12 hours to close the weekly at the moment. So you might want to end up closing green like this. That would be amazing, so that you can have that a little bit of a wick to the downside, maybe here, and then you start to move higher again. And that's it for today's update on OP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.